Good morning students, welcome to ALPHORES e-learning classes and welcome back to economics first year classes, that is unit 7th national income analysis. So we are in the 7th chapter national income analysis. We are going through, already we have seen first components of national income and after that concepts of national income and what are the determinant factors of national income. We have seen all those things, and in the last class in the concepts of national income we were discussing about of GNP at market price. Those are the very important concepts. So whichever are depending on GNP at market price, we completed all of them yesterday. There are 5: GNP at market price and GNP at factor cost. The difference is what? Simple. Remove the indirect tax and add the subsidy, then it will become GNP at factor cost. GNP means gross national product. Next we have seen GDP. Simple. From GNP, if you remove net income from abroad, you will get the GDP. And next we have seen NNP, net national product. GDP means gross domestic product. NNP, net national product. From GNP, if you remove depreciation, then we will get net national product at market price. Okay, and NNP at factor cost. Simply from NNP at market prices, if you remove the indirect taxes and add subsidies, you will get the NNP at factor cost. We have seen 5 of them yesterday. What they are? GNP at market prices, gross national product at market prices, gross national product at factor cost, GDP, gross domestic product, net national product at market prices, net national product at factor cost. It's very simple. If you understand the simplest logic, it becomes so simple for you. Okay, yesterday I explained you part by part. If you don't understand, go back to the previous class, you will understand them. Okay, so now we will see the next concepts. I told you there are around 10 concepts. Yesterday we completed 5 concepts. Today we are going to complete other 6 concepts. Particularly 5 concepts belongs to national income concepts. Now we will see personal income. First, let us try to understand what is personal income. It is that part of national income which will be distributed among the people. Like whatever a person earns through the rent, wage, interest and profit put together, that is personal income. So from 4 ways he is getting his personal income. So whatever is distributed from national income to the public, that will become personal income. Here when I am saying whatever being distributed to 4 factors will become personal income, it means what? There is something not distributed. You get my point? Here what we are saying, whatever is being distributed to the public, to the 4 factors of production, and a person earns through 4 ways, being the owner of land, being the owner of labor, being the owner of capital, being the owner of organization, whatever he gets, the rent, the wage, the interest, the profit will become personal income. So now let us see the difference. Okay, see, this we will see out of national income or NNP at factor cost. How do we get the NNP at factor cost? That is the last one we discussed in the last class. From NNP at market prices, if you remove the indirect tax and if you add the subsidies, then you will get factor cost. How do you get the NNP at market prices? Again go back to the GNP, gross national product at market prices. From gross national product at market prices, if you remove the depreciation, the replacement charges, then you will get NNP at market prices. If you remove the indirect tax and add subsidy, then you will get this NNP at factor cost. That will be called as national income. it can be called with two names. So this NNP at factor cost, we will remove from the national income, we will remove undistributed corporate profits. See, no organization distributes the total income to their shareholders. Always there is a risk in the coming future. Always this corporates wants to expand. Always they want to take the advantage of new opportunities. So they keep some money as a stock to a side. They want to keep that wealth. Why? If it distributes all its profits to all the people, then it won't have any new investment. For new investment, certainly they have to keep some profit to a side. That profit which is not distributed among the people, that profit these corporations or corporates will use to purchase new lands or new technology or go for new ventures. See, all of a sudden government has changed its policy and it want to give a new opportunity to the corporates, and that corporate do not have enough funds, enough stock of funds to invest. Then can it take the opportunity? No. Whoever keeping additional funds to a side, they will take the advantage. So every corporate, without distributing all its profits to all shareholders, it keeps some amount to a side. That money is not distributed among the people, means it is not going to be a personal income in neither way, neither as rent, nor as wage, nor as interest or profit. It is going to get into the hands of any person. So from national income, it is all calculated in the GNP. Okay, it is calculated in GNP, but this money is put to a side. It is not distributed among the people. That's why it do not become personal income. Next, social security contributions. Corporates also keep some amount for social security purpose. This we will talk as this in next step. Okay, social security contributions. Government keeps some amount to a side for future necessities, like all of a sudden there is a war. Where it goes to take the loans? All of a sudden there is a drought. How it is going to manage the food for the people? All of a sudden there is some calamity, earthquake, a cyclone. For that, some funds will be put to a side without distributing among the people. And not only that, some amount is used for social contributions. What are social contributions? Like widow pensions, etc., etc. You are watching the welfare programs. That money is also not distributed among the people. That is put to a side. That also again comes under not added to the personal income. These two are removed. Undistributed corporate profits and the social security contributions, this will be removed from national income and it is added with transfer payments. I told you, no, this turns to this. Social security contribution money which is put to a side is used as transfer payment. Here remember, there are two concepts: transfer earnings, transfer payments. Transfer earning is opportunity cost. We had a discussion about that in the cost analysis. Here, transfer payment is different from transfer earnings. Transfer payment means without contributing any services to anything, if you get any amount, that is transfer payment. Payments. For example, are you contributing any services to your home? No, but still you are getting money, food, cloth, shelter, everything from your payments. In your home, you are getting transfer payment. Even in the country also, sometimes we get the transfer payments. How? I show you. Scholarship. Are you contributing anything to any services to the government or the country? But still you are getting scholarships. Widow pensions, they are getting 2000 rupees. Is that widow is contributing any services? No. Without any contribution towards any production, whatever the person gets, that is called as transfer payments. This is added to personal income. From national income, these two are removed. Undistributed corporate profits and social security contributions will be removed, and this transfer payments will be added. That is personal income. That will be reaching the people in 4 shapes: rent, wage, interest and profit. Now we will see the second one, disposable income. This is depending on personal income. Disposable income. Personal income, whatever been reached after removing these two and adding this transfer payments, whatever is coming here will be taken. From this we will remove direct taxes. What are direct taxes? Simply whatever we pay as property tax, income tax, wealth tax, all those taxes are paid directly to the government by the persons. So from personal income we have to remove this direct taxes. When you remove this direct taxes, that is the money which is left with you, can disposable income, that you can spend for the satisfaction of your wants. If you don't pay the direct taxes and you spend all the amount, then you will be put into the jail, because you are supposed to pay these direct taxes. So from personal income, whatever been earned by the persons, we have to remove the direct taxes. That is ready to be called as disposable income, ready to spend in the market, or disposable income also called as consumption amount plus saving amount. Consumption plus saving put together, that is disposable income, means ready to spend income. This is what earned income. From the earned income, when we remove the direct taxes, then whatever is left is we use for savings and consumption. That savings and consumption amount is called as disposable income. Now we will see the third one, real income or national income at constant prices. Real income or national income at constant prices. If you are unable to see these things on the board, you don't need to worry. If you have a pen and paper, when I am saying, you can write it down. Okay? Real income or national income at constant prices. Generally, we calculate the national income at 2 levels. Already we had the discussion about this part. At constant prices and at current prices. Let us see. Let us take a year as 2001 as a standard year, and the prices of 2001 we take it as constant prices. Constant prices. Okay, constant prices. And in 2005, whatever been produced, that product will be calculated. Product is going to be multiplied by current prices, means that year's prices, as well as that product is going to be multiplied by constant prices. When you take a year as constant price year or base year, you will select a year where everything is normal, not overproduced, not underproduced. A normal year, and we fix those prices as constant prices, and every year 2002, 2003 we calculate, we add all the products and we multiply them with that year's price, current price, and 2001's constant prices. Then you will get exact idea whether national income is increasing or only prices are increased. Even if the prices increases, it looks like national income increased. At the beginning itself we had a discussion. Market value of all goods and services. Do you remember? Market value of all goods and services. Then market value or market prices keeps fluctuating. Sometimes increases, sometimes decreases. So if the market prices increases, it looks like national income increased. But to know the real national income, we have to go with national income at constant prices. So we will multiply that product of 2005 in constant prices, which we took as a base year. Then we will have a real national income. Okay, hope you did get this concept. Real national income is different from national income, because national income is calculated by market values, market prices, but real national income is calculated by base year prices. So this is more reliable. With this we will get to know whether price is increasing, decreasing. If increasing, what is the inflation rate and how much product increased. All those things can be understood very easily with the help of this constant prices. So calculating the commodities in two prices, constant as well as current, is important. We have to calculate in current prices as well as constant prices. Now we will go to the next part, per capita income. For this also we have to see real per capita income. Per capita income, real per capita income. This already you have seen in the 10th class. Per capita income, total national income divided by total population of that year. A year's total national income should be divided by that year's total population. Then you will get per capita income. Here we have seen real income or national income at constant prices. So national income is two types, in current prices, in constant prices. You got it? In current prices, whatever the national income divided by the population, you will get per capita income. For example, this year 2020, whatever is national income in market prices of current prices, market value of current prices, 2020 prices, we will manipulate or we calculate the total value of commodities which are produced in the country. That is, let us call as national income of 2020 divided by population of 2020. Then we will get per capita income. Then what is real per capita income? So simple. If you calculate it with constant prices, total commodities, goods and services produced in 2020 calculated or multiplied by constant prices, and divided by 2020 population, then you will get real per capita income. Means in 2020 current prices and 2001 constant prices. 2020 current prices is per capita income, 2001 constant prices is real per capita income. In this way we calculate per capita income also two levels, in current prices, in constant prices. In current prices we call it per capita income, in constant prices we call it real per capita income. Okay, now we will see the fifth one, relation between per capita income and population. This is a very important one, relationship between per capita income and population. Plenty of times, particularly in India, our per capita income, actually national income increased a lot. National income increased a lot, but per capita income is not increasing like national income. National income increased in many folds, but in the same level per capita income is not increasing. It is due to only one reason, that is population explosion, that you will see in the second year, inter-second year. See, population has increased by plenty of times. That's why even though national income is increasing, per capita income is not increasing to that level. Okay, for example, national income increased, but population is also increased equal level. Then it looks like per capita income did not increase even a single bit. Okay, national income increased and per capita income population increased a little bit. Then per capita income will increase more. So with this, national income always divided by the population. If population growth rate is less and national income growth rate is more, then per capita income growth rate will be higher. If population growth rate is equal to national income growth rate, then there is no per capita income growth rate. If, let us see the negative side, population growth rate is greater than national income growth rate, then per capita income will decrease. I show you how to calculate that. So first we have to take gross growth rate of per capita income equals to growth rate of national income minus growth rate of population. To get the growth rate of per capita income, to get the exact calculation of growth rate of per capita income, we have to take the growth rate of national income minus growth rate of population. For example, let us assume growth rate of national income is 6%. Let us assume growth rate of national income is how much? 6%. And growth rate of population is how much? 3%. Then what is the growth rate of per capita income? 3%. So you have to remove or delete growth rate of population from growth rate of national income. Then you will get growth rate of per capita income. This is the way of calculation of relation between per capita income and population. Now we will see components of national income. What it is? Components of national income. Actually, components of national income is almost equal to GNP at market prices. See, what did we see in the GNP, gross national product at market prices? Consumption of all the people in the country, investment of all the people in the country, expenditure of government, and exports minus imports plus net income from abroad. That made GNP at market prices. See here the components of national income. Again, consumption of all the people, investment of all the people, total expenditure of government, and X minus M, exports minus imports. Then what is missing? Net income from abroad is missing. If from GNP we remove the net income from abroad, then we will get the components of national income. Actually, components means the calculation, different parts, different segments. Okay, in the national income we see different components. Those components are shown here. That is consumption plus investment plus government expenditure plus X minus M, exports minus imports. This can be negative, positive, or balance. How the balance? Exports and imports are equal, then it is in balance. If exports are greater than imports, then it is positive. In case imports are greater than exports, then negative. So with this, we are concluding this concepts of national income. Again, let me repeat all those concepts which we have seen in the last period and today. In the last period we have seen GNP at market price, C plus I plus G plus X minus M plus net income from abroad, GNP at factor cost. Take the GNP at market prices and remove the indirect taxes and add the subsidies, you will get the GNP at factor cost. Next, GDP, gross domestic product. Take the GNP and remove the net income from abroad, you will get the GDP. Again, NNP at market prices. Take the GNP at market prices and remove the depreciation. Okay, then you will get NNP at market price. NNP at factor cost. Take the NNP at market prices and remove the indirect taxes, add the subsidy, you will get the NNP at factor cost. Close. Now we will see personal income. Out of total national income, whatever the corporates hiding or stocking those funds for future utilization which is not shared by the shareholders, remove that from the national income. And social security contributions, remove from the national income and add transfer payments to the national income, that is equal to the personal income, which is distributed among the public is personal income. Whatever the personal income, if you remove the direct taxes from the personal income, you will get disposable income. Like I have 100 rupees. Out of that 100 rupees, I paid 10 rupees as tax, direct tax. Then what is left over with me? 90 rupees. That is disposable income. Not total 100 rupees is not disposable income. Assume I got 100 rupees personal income. Out of that 100 rupees, I paid 10 rupees as direct tax. Then 90 rupees is disposable income. Next, real income or national income at constant prices. National total production, whatever been done in a year, will be calculated at two levels. One is at current prices, that is generally called as national income. Another is in constant prices. This is called as real national income or national income at constant prices. Next, we will see the per capita income, real per capita income. Under current prices, if you divide with the population, you will get the per capita income. And if you multiply the product with constant prices and divide it with the present population, you will get real per capita income. Next, relation between per capita income and population. You will get this growth rate of per capita income by take the growth rate of national income minus growth rate of population, you will get growth rate of per capita income. And here components of national income are consumption plus investment plus government expenditure plus X minus M, which can be balanced or positive or maybe negative. With this, all the concepts of national income is being completed. So by tomorrow we are discussing about how to calculate the national income. Okay, with this, today's class is over. Good day, students.